Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Glad to have you. I have 4 beautiful kids, a Faloofy Fluffy Husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love clicky clickies. That is a thumbs up. It helps me get into the land of YouTube. So let's get into the video.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so I forgot my little thing to plop up my camera. So my little beginning part is going to be a little bit brain fart. So I'm not going to talk for very long. I'll try to make longer content later for dinner time. Anyways, I have the natural strawberry keto chow made with, oh my God. I put 0 fat in here. I didn't put any heavy whipping cream in here. All this is almond milk and keto chow and water. I'm like, what fat did I put in here? Because I made this morning when I was making my coffee. This is going to be an interesting day. I'm probably going to be hungry. I probably should go get something else to eat, but I'm too lazy, so I'll just drink a lot of coffee. That's what I'm drinking today. I need to go watch Aaron's video. I didn't watch too much YouTube yesterday because I had a lot of videos to edit. The MySpace tag is coming out today. My regular vlog came out today, and then Kids Cook Keto came out last night. It was Tiffany's. She did amazing. And the Swedish meatballs were really good. So dinner tonight is probably just gonna be leftovers again. We still have more of the chicken parm that I made. And I don't know, the kids can just have whatever if they don't want that. But I'm gonna go watch YouTube and I will talk to you guys. Hey guys, hey. I've decided I'm going to post something on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, community tab, that I'm gonna do another Q&A. I haven't done one in a while. I've grown quite a bit and I'm getting some questions that I've answered before in the past. So I think that it's time to do a Q&A to help answer some of your questions about why I don't live with my boyfriend, why I don't see him that often, why 2 of my kids look identical. There's a few questions that I've been getting asked, and maybe you have some that I've never been asked. So I'm going to be doing that. You can also leave your questions down below, or you can go to my community tab and ask there, or Instagram, or I have Twitter, but I mean, I don't use it. Why do I even have it? Whatever, my socials, they're all linked in the description, so you can ask me anywhere. I'll try to remember to check all of them to see, but like, don't ask me anything on Pinterest because that's weird. That's not a place where you would ask a question, I think. But I do have a Pinterest account and I do use it often. I actually have 17,000 monthly viewers on my Pinterest. I thought that was excessive. Like, why can't I bring that to YouTube? Anyways, ask away, guys. Hey guys, I know you can't see my face, but I received a package. I don't know what it is. I think it might be from Sonny. It doesn't, I'm not sure though. I think it is. I think this is, is this what I think it is? Oh, I've wanted one of these. These are those things that you, I mean, do I really have to say what this is? These are like the parchment paper replacements. Like, you put this down to help protect your cookie sheets. This has to be from her because she bought me the cookie sheets. Thank you. How awesome. I've wanted one. I've wanted these for so long. So long. Thank you. Yeah, these are like the baking, what are they? Silicone? Are they silicone? Does it say? Yeah, silicone baking mats. Woo! Woohoo! Jazz hands. Thank you. I think this is from you, Sonny. Thank you. I'm so excited. I've wanted these so bad. Can I wash these in the dishwasher? That'd be weird, I think, to wash them in the dishwasher. I'd rather just hand wash them, I think. These are awesome. I've wanted one of these forever. Forever. Now I want to cook cookies. Or bake cookies, I should say. Alright guys, so I received these from Sweet Life Flavor Company. These are delicious little flavor concentrates that you can use. I have, let's see, this is my little flavor thing. My 101 flavors. I think I only have 3 from Sweet Life. Banana caramel, strawberry, and mixed rainbow candy. Anyways, they sent me these for a giveaway, so I can do a giveaway again for you guys. So this is cinnamon roll, vanilla frosting, pineapple, ripe banana, and sweet cornbread. These are not opened. You can tell they are wrapped in their plastic on the outside, holding them secure. These things are really good. You can put them in coffee. You can make cornbread. You can make chaffles. You can do all kinds of things. Put them in like a vanilla ice cream, homemade keto ice cream, cupcakes, keto cookies, whatever. These are, the possibilities are endless for this kind of thing. Cinnamon rolls, make it really taste like a cinnamon roll, you know what I mean? Make some cream cheese frosting and add in some vanilla frosting to it. The possibilities are endless. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is make sure you are subscribed, like this video, and comment. Comment down below. Anything. A heart, a smiley face, a hi, how are ya? Anything.
The word G.
This giveaway will go for, what's today? Today is September 30th. I will pick a winner on October 3rd. So October 3rd, I'll pick a winner and I'll post it on my community tab and I will update this video. Yay! Good luck, guys. This is dinner. I made chili. I didn't have any tomato paste, so I added a little bit of tomato sauce. And I just added some of our shredded cheese that my man shredded. Get yourself a man that can shred your cheese for you. And some sour cream. And then I just had crumbles of my Parmesan crisp. And then this is just iceberg lettuce, ranch, salt, pepper, cucumber. And that's going to be my dinner. I'm going to have a Powerade Zero. And probably going to go ahead and close out the vlog because I got to edit. And yeah, I mean, I'm sorry it wasn't a very long vlog. It's about almost 7 o'clock, so I've just been cleaning and doing all the things. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye. Happy Monday.